The Lost Kitten. One sunny morning, a boy named Isa was playing in his garden. He loved running around, chasing butterflies, and listening to the birds sing. Suddenly, he heard a soft sound, meow meow. Isa stopped and looked around. Behind a bush, he found a tiny, shivering kitten. It looked scared and hungry. Hello, little one. Are you lost? Isa asked gently. The kitten meowed again, its big eyes staring at him. Isa looked around but didn't see anyone who might own the kitten. Don't worry, he said. I will take care of you. He carefully picked up the kitten and took it inside his house. Mom, look what I found, he called out. His mom smiled. Oh, a lost kitten. It must be scared. Let's give it some milk. Isa wrapped the kitten with a soft blanket. Then he gave it a bowl of warm milk. The kitten drank happily, purring softly. Isa felt a warm feeling in his heart. I think it likes me, he said with a big smile. That afternoon, Isa made posters with his mom to find the kitten's owner. Lost Kitten Found called Isa. The posters read. They hung them up around the neighborhood. For 2 days, no one came to claim the kitten. Isa named it Mittens because its paws were white just like mittens. Isa and Mittens became the best of friends. Mittens followed him everywhere, even when he was doing homework. Isa loved taking care of it, and Mittens loved snuggling with Isa. On the third day, a knock came at the door. A little girl stood there with her dad. She was holding one of the posters and looked very excited. You found my kitten. Her name is Snowy, she said, hugging Mittens tightly. Isa felt happy and a little sad. I will miss her, he said. The girl smiled. Thank you for taking care of her. You are very kind. After Snowy left, Isa's mom said, I am proud of you, Isa. You showed great kindness and compassion. Helping someone in need is the best feeling, isn't it? Isa nodded. It really is, Mom. I will never forget Mittens. From that day on, Isa always looked out for others, whether it was a lost animal or a sad friend. Helping Mittens had taught him the joy of compassion. Moral of the story: Helping others, even in small ways, brings happiness to everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more fun stories and rhymes. See you next time on Kindle Tales and Rhymes. Bye bye.